Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can appeal when your video gets removed on TikTok. So come right here, you can see this video right here on the left hand side. Yep, it says community guideline violation. So click on it and it says okay, removed for violating community guideline. So let's come down and click on this line. Some of the reasons why your video might be removed from TikTok is if it contains sexual explicit content or violence or acts that endanger people's life. But this video doesn't have any of that. So I was wondering why it was removed. So I'm going to appeal it right now. I'm going to appeal right here on the top. Click on it. Request another review. So I'm going to submit. After clicking on submit, now we're going to wait for our appeal. So it says here appeal received. So it's going to take a couple of days, or it can take a week sometimes, or sometimes a few minutes. So we're just going to have to wait no matter how long it takes for us to this removal to be changed. Oh yeah, one more thing, you can also check the hashtag that you use for your video. That can also cause your video to be removed. So make sure you're not using a hashtag that belongs to a brand or a company, something like that. Just check your hashtag, change it just to be sure from their own system. So you come to your inbox. When they finally send you a message, come to system notification, click on that. Going to some of my previous appeal that I've gotten already. I mean, like, one of my videos was removed before, but when I made an appeal, I got a reply and it was released. So I just click on this one. Let me show you an example. Sit down here. Content restored. Thank you for submitting your appeal, and we have reviewed and restored your content. We apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. Thank you for being a part of TikTok community. So this is the message I'll later send depending, but I think I know why the other video was removed. I'm just gonna make a correction, then repost it again so I can appeal your videos. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please follow me.